Everyone speaks about Cardano, Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum. It goes on and on and on. But people are missing the opportunity for Polkadot's Parachain Auction. Sounds so complicated, but there's a potential 2 to 10x in this opportunity, which is starting on the 1st of September. So I want to share this video with you as simple as possible for you. Welcome back to Family Coin. My name is Dr. Alex Ko, and I'm here to explain to you about the Parachain Auction, because there's not many people out there explaining simplified terms for people like us, the family investors, to know, because there's so much opportunity. So what is Parachain Auction? Let me quickly recap in very high technical terms. Parachain Auction is Polkadot. You need to get Kusama. You need to use Kusama to vote for the Parachain coin. If you win some additional coin, and the coin could go to 5-6x. But what does it all mean? It's so complicated. Let me simplify it. That's what I'm here today. So basically, it is like an IPO of a company stock. For example, Netflix back in 2007, where nobody knew much about Netflix. But those early investors that invested in Netflix were so young before its IPO, very, very cheap. They put their money in and they held it through IPO and hold it for 10 years, and they became millionaires and billionaires because you were an early investor. Simple as that. So the Polkadot ecosystem can enable that to happen. How? So basically, the Polkadot system will allow 5 special auctions on the 1st of September, and you need to own a utility coin called the Kusama. So all you have to do is buy Kusama, and Kusama is basically your vote tickets, and it's actually hold a certain value, currently around about $300 US. So one Kusama will hold you one ticket, and you vote the company or the next cryptocurrency coin that you like. So if that company wins the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th or 5th auction, they will reward you a ratio of a coin. It could be 10 to 1, 20 to 1, 30 to 1 to your Kusama. If they lose the auction, let's say you vote for somebody and they lose, you get your Kusama coin back. Simple. But if you win, your Kusama coin needs to be locked in for 48 weeks. Yes, it's a bit off-putting. It gets locked in for 48 weeks to avoid volatility in the market, to keep the Kusama coin price the same, or else it's going to be so volatile. Once you're locked in, after 48 weeks, you get exactly that coin that you have invested after the 48 week. There's 2 ways of making money. One, if your Kusama coins get locked in, no volatility, and Kusama goes up, and on the day where it gets released, you get higher value Kusama coins, or it could drop at the same time. And second part of making money is the coins that you invested that you get for free. If on IPO launch day, if they go for a very, very high value, you make lots of money. But if they go for very, very low value due to less popularity or problems during launch, or they've not meet their promises, or the pump and dump, then you don't make too much money. So there is a bit of risk, but in the same time, there's very, very high reward for you investing early. And finally, I just want to share that these are not meme coins. These are actually functional coins that actually does a specific function to the real world of blockchain, and they'll be getting real customers. So now let's visit the 1st and 2nd auction, which have occurred back in June. The 1st auction belonged and would be won by a coin called Kurara. 10 Kusama coin, KSM, which is worth around about $3,000. The ratio that paid out during that time was 12 to 1. So you would have received 120 Kurara coins for free. And now today Kurara is worth around about $8 a single coin. So in total, you would have been received 960 worth in valuation as of today's pricing. So a return on investment is around about 32%. Case study 2 is Parachain Auction number 2, which is won by Moon River, ticker MOVR, which is actually launched today on sale, and it is worth about $80 a pop. Great. So during when they won 10 Kusama coins, you would have won around about 145. Yes, because ratio is 14.5 to 1. If you own 10 Kusama times 10, it'd be 145, and you would have today 11,600. And the return on investment is about 386%. Again, it's still volatile. We never know if MOVR will be going higher or it's just a pump and dump, so that's the risk you take. But you are allowed to take profits or hold and stake them. So it's completely entirely up to you. What I'm really excited, that's what I think will win, is Parachain Auction 6. I'm not going to care about the remainder coins, but it's Parachain Auction 6. Will be going to Kilt, most likely Kilt. At the moment, the market's open up in some wallets that you can actually vote already. Kilt looks like it'll be the leading contender. There are rumors about Kilt being a ratio of 24:1, but it all depends. The more stakers come in, the more rewards you will get. So get voting if you think Kilt. So for me personally, I'm going for Kilt once it's open for my broker. So I'm putting coins which I'm getting back for that value or lower or higher, and I'm getting reward based on the tokens. And Kilt seems to be very, very promising. So what's Kilt? Kilt is basically like a cybersecurity company for your authentication, like your Facebook login or your Apple login. But remember, Facebook, Apple, Google login is actually centralized because somebody holds my information. If they get hacked, my information gets stolen. But Kilt is going to a different way where they're actually decentralizing that information that only you hold it. When you log in to your Facebook or to your Google app or to your gym membership next time in future, you hold your information. Boop, blockchain agrees, smart contract agrees that it's you, your identification pass, but nobody is leaking your information out. So it's very promising, developed by a guy who used to work for a German company called SAT. All this sounds really exciting now. So what do you need to do? Very simple. First, buy Kusama Coin. You can get it on your broker like Crypto.com. You can get a Kilt Coin, depending on what broker you are using, and Kraken as well. How do you participate in Parachain Auction? To participate in Parachain Auction's crowd loan, that's when you actually vote with your Kusama. There's two ways of doing it as I've learned today. One is using Kraken. Kraken is basically like a Coinbase or a Kilt Coin or Binance equivalent, but they are the only big broker, major brokers that actually allows you to go Parachain Auction within their website or within their platform. So Kraken, simple, easy, click on earn, Parachain Auction, and there you go. But at the moment, as it stands when I'm releasing this video, 27th of August, it's not out yet, so I have to wait till perhaps the 1st of September when it begins. The second one that you can use on your phone, iOS or your Android, is download an app called Fearless Wallet. Fearless Wallet is dedicated to Polkadot Kusama Ecosystem, where you can dedicate that specific wallet that sits in your phone with credentials and login that you hold, and you can actually use your Kusama coins but transfer from a different wallet because it's expensive to buy it on the system itself. It's better if you buy from Crypto.com, drop it in. Okay, I hope you found it useful. I hope you found it informative. And please leave a comment below if you're voting for Kilt or perhaps Sakura or Altair, depending on who. Tell me who you're voting below. And I'm really excited about Kilt winning for the first round, which I'm pretty confident because all the Twitter remarks are very biased towards Kilt just now because of the superiority and very clear landscape of what they want to do. So all the best. Hope to see you soon. Please click like and subscribe. Hope to see you and share more information like this in future.
I hope you enjoyed that video. Check out our website link below. More videos up here. Bye.